Unlocking the outdoors. The basics of trailhead parking. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic for all the adventurers and nature lovers out there: trailhead parking. Understanding this concept is crucial whether you're planning your first hike or you're an experienced explorer. So, let's gear up to uncover what trailhead parking means and why it's important for your next outdoor adventure. Trailhead parking refers to the designated parking areas located at the start, or head, of a trail. These areas are specifically intended for hikers, bikers, and anyone looking to explore nature trails. Trailheads are the gateways to scenic routes, offering access to paths that lead through forests, mountains, and various natural landscapes. The parking facilities at these points are crucial for providing a safe and convenient place for adventurers to leave their vehicles as they embark on their journey. Understanding and utilizing trailhead parking is essential for several reasons. Safety. Proper use of these areas ensures that vehicles are parked in a safe location, minimizing the risk of theft or damage. Access. Trailhead parking lots are strategically placed to provide the best access to the trail, making it easier for you to start your adventure. Conservation. By using designated parking spots, you help protect the natural surroundings from damage caused by vehicles parking off-road or in unauthorized areas. 1. Plan ahead. Before your trip, research the trail you wish to explore and locate the trailhead parking. Some popular trails might have limited parking spaces. 2. Arrive early. Especially on weekends or holidays, trailhead parking areas can fill up quickly. Arriving early ensures you get a spot. 3. Follow the rules. Pay attention to any signs or instructions. Some areas might require a parking fee or have specific regulations about how long you can leave your vehicle. 4. Pack smart. Make sure you have all your essentials ready before leaving your car. It's also wise to leave no valuables in plain sight to deter theft. Leave no trace. Keep the environment clean by taking all your trash with you. Stay safe. Let someone know your plans and expected return time. Be prepared. Weather can change quickly, so bring appropriate gear for different conditions. Respect wildlife. Observe animals from a distance and do not feed them. Trailhead parking is more than just a place to leave your car. It's the starting point of your adventure into the natural world. By understanding and respecting these areas, you contribute to the preservation of these beautiful spaces for future generations to enjoy. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of trailhead parking and how you can make the most out of your outdoor explorations. Happy trails, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.